Hello guys, I welcome you to my channel Laser Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub, and in this video I'm going to teach you how you can create Flutterwave accounts. So if this is the first time you are watching my video on YouTube, please remember to subscribe to this channel for more interesting video about online transaction. Now before we get into the video, I would like to explain a brief overview about Flutterwave. Flutterwave is an online payment gateway whereby it makes it easy for anybody that sells digital skill online to collect their payment from any part of the world. I have used Flutterwave for many years, and I can assure you guys that using Flutterwave, the platform is very secure, and their customer service are very much okay. And if you are the kind of person that find it difficult to create a Flutterwave, I think this video is the best for you. So let's get to the practical video started. So the first thing I'm going to do, guys, is to go to my address bar. I'm going to type in the Flutterwave. Okay, flutterwave.com. I'm going to press enter key on my keyboard. So the next thing you have to do when the site is fully open like this, you have to come here, come to create account. So the next thing you have to do is to fill in this short form. This is the registration form that we need to fill up. Now before we start from the top, here we enter the first name and the last name. So right, followed by trade name. So this trade name is the name for your business. So that is where this is where you are going to enter your business name. So for instance, I'm going to call this one so this is going to be Excel store. Okay, then you have to come here and enter your active email address that you can use to receive transaction receipt and some other updates about the Flutterwave. So next, you have to come here and choose your country, and I'm a Nigerian. I live it in Nigeria. If you are not a Nigerian, you come here and click on this dot here and choose your country. So in this regard, I'm a Nigerian. I'm choosing Nigeria. Then here you need to answer some question. How do you hear about Flutterwave? You can say you hear from a friend or social media or from blogs or from Google or in the news. So in this regard, I'm hearing it from a friend. Now, if you have any referral code, you enter your referral code in this box. So it is an optional, not compulsory. Then here, you come here and set in your password. Okay, so having set up your password, you have to come here and tick on I acknowledge that I have read and do hereby accept the terms and conditions in the Flutterwave. Click on it, tick the box. So when you tick the box, then you click on get started. So you can see, check your mailbox. We have sent an email to you with a link to confirm your account. So in this regard, you will be sent an email address that you are trying to create an account with Flutterwave. This is just for a verification stuff. So I'll go to my mail address, mail account now, and I'm going to refresh the page. Okay, so you can see the verification mail has been actually sent to me. So you click on Flutterwave email verification. Alright guys, so the next thing you have to do is to click on the confirm mail address. So click on here. But if this place is not active, so the other means by which you can confirm the email address is that let me scroll down. So if this is not working, you can just copy this link here, right? So when you highlight this link, you right click on it, and you can click on open in a new tab. Then let's check it out. Alright, then at this point here, you can see that the mail has been fully confirmed, and the next step you have to take is to define the objective of your business. How do you do that? You have to read the information right here. Now, the first option here says to accept payment as an individual for freelancer, wholesalers, and unregistered business, to accept payment as a registered business, or to accept payment as a non-governmental organization, to create, manage, and accept payment for events. So this is where you determine the objective of your business. But the objective of my business is the first option, which has to do with freelancing and sole traders and unregistered business. So next thing I'm going to do is to come here to scroll down and click on continue to my dashboard. All right, so you can see this is my dashboard, and the account has been successfully created. You can see here, this is the merchant ID. So, and this is the my trade business name, and this is the name of the account. So you can see it right here. So this is how you can create a Flutterwave online payment gateway account in a simple step by step I just explained to you guys in the video. And if you have value for this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And also, if you have any further question about online gateway payments, about Flutterwave, you can put your question in the comment section down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more interesting video about online payments, skill acquisition, and online business that you can do without any hassle. So I hope you guys learn one or two things in this video, and I hope you see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, and see you soon. Bye.